The desire to fly has captivated humanity for centuries. Ancient myths and stories are filled with tales of winged creatures and soaring heroes. From Icarus's ill-fated flight to the flying carpets of legend, the allure of the sky has always been strong. For generations, inventors and dreamers have sought to conquer the skies, driven by a fundamental human longing to break free from earthly bounds and experience the freedom of flight. Today, that dream is a reality. Aviation has transformed our world, connecting people and cultures like never before. From the earliest gliders to supersonic jets and space exploration, the journey of aviation is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of the impossible. This video will explore the remarkable evolution of aviation, from its earliest beginnings to its exciting future. We will delve into the groundbreaking innovations, daring pioneers, and technological leaps that have shaped the world of flight. Join us as we take off on a journey through the history and future of aviation. The path to flight was paved with countless trials, errors, and unwavering determination. Long before the Wright brothers made history, visionaries like Leonardo da Vinci dared to imagine the possibilities of human flight. Da Vinci's meticulous sketches of flying machines, though ultimately unrealized, demonstrated a profound understanding of aerodynamics and a visionary spirit that would inspire generations to come. In the 18th century, the invention of the hot air balloon by the Montgolfier brothers marked a significant milestone. These pioneers captivated the world with their daring ascents, proving that lighter-than-air flight was possible. The Montgolfiers' achievement ignited the public's imagination and fueled further experimentation in ballooning and other forms of air travel. However, balloons were limited by their reliance on wind currents for direction. The quest for controlled, powered flight continued. Inventors experimented with various designs, including gliders and ornithopters, seeking to unlock the secrets of bird flight. These early attempts, though often met with failure, laid the groundwork for the breakthroughs that would soon follow. At the dawn of the 20th century, two brothers from Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, achieved what had long been considered impossible sustained, controlled, powered flight. The Wright brothers, bicycle mechanics by trade, possessed a unique combination of mechanical skill, dedication, and a deep understanding of aerodynamics. Through rigorous experimentation and a relentless pursuit of their goal, the Wrights designed and built a fragile biplane they called the Flyer. On December 17, 1903 at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, Orville Wright piloted the Flyer into history, achieving the first successful powered flight. The flight lasted only 12 seconds and covered a mere 120 feet, but it marked a pivotal moment in human history. The Wright brothers' accomplishment ignited a global fascination with aviation. News of their success spread rapidly, inspiring a new generation of aviators and engineers. The world had entered the age of flight, and there was no turning back. The outbreak of World War I in 1914 dramatically accelerated the development of aviation. Military leaders quickly recognized the strategic potential of aircraft for reconnaissance, bombing, and air-to-air combat. As a result, governments invested heavily in aircraft development, leading to rapid advancements in aircraft design and engine technology. The war saw the emergence of new aircraft types, including fighters, bombers, and reconnaissance planes. Pilots became heroes, engaging in daring dogfights and bombing raids. The skills and technologies developed during the war laid the foundation for the growth of commercial aviation in the post-war years. Following the war, a surplus of aircraft and trained pilots fueled the growth of civil aviation. Airmail services were established and passenger flights began to emerge. The first commercial airlines were founded, connecting major cities and reducing travel time significantly. Aviation was no longer just a military pursuit, it was becoming a viable mode of transportation for civilians. Entering the jet age. The mid-20th century witnessed another revolutionary leap in aviation, the advent of the jet engine. Jet propulsion, first developed in Germany and England in the 1930s, offered significantly greater power and efficiency compared to traditional propeller-driven aircraft. The first jet-powered aircraft, the German Heinkel He 178, flew in 1939, marking the beginning of a new era in aviation. The jet engine transformed air travel, enabling aircraft to fly higher, faster, and farther than ever before. The sound barrier was broken in 1947 by Chuck Yeager flying the experimental Bell X-1, ushering in the era of supersonic flight. Commercial jet travel began in the 1950s with the introduction of aircraft like the de Havilland Comet and the Boeing 707, making air travel more accessible and affordable for the general public. The jet age brought about a dramatic reduction in travel times, shrinking the world and connecting distant cultures. Air travel became a symbol of progress and modernity, and the romance of flight captured the public's imagination. Modern aviation, a new era of flight. The latter part of the 20th century and the early 21st century have seen continued advancements in aviation technology, focusing on safety, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Wide-body jets like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380 enabled mass air travel, making it possible to transport hundreds of passengers across vast distances. Fly-by-wire systems introduced in the 1970s replaced traditional mechanical flight controls with electronic systems, improving aircraft handling and safety. Advanced navigation and communication systems such as GPS and satellite communication have made flying safer and more efficient. Furthermore, the aviation industry has made significant strides in sustainability. Modern aircraft are designed to be more fuel efficient, and the development of sustainable aviation fuels, or SAFs, is gaining momentum. These advancements are crucial for mitigating the environmental impact of air travel. Section 7. The Electric Revolution and Sustainable Skies. As we look to the future, aviation is on the cusp of another transformative era, the electric revolution. Electric and hybrid electric aircraft are emerging as promising alternatives to traditional fossil fuel-powered planes. These aircraft offer the potential for zero-emission flight, reducing noise pollution and dependence on fossil fuels. While still in their early stages of development, electric aircraft are making significant strides. Companies like Airbus, Boeing, and startups like Aviation and Joby Aviation are developing electric and hybrid electric aircraft for various applications, from short-haul regional flights to urban air mobility. The transition to electric aviation faces challenges including battery technology limitations and the need for infrastructure development. However, the potential benefits of cleaner, quieter skies are driving innovation and investment in this exciting new frontier of aviation. Beyond the horizon. Exploring new frontiers. Beyond electric propulsion, the future of aviation holds other tantalizing possibilities. Autonomous flight, enabled by advances in artificial intelligence and sensor technology, is rapidly becoming a reality. Autonomous drones are already being used for various applications from package delivery to aerial photography, and the potential for autonomous passenger aircraft is on the horizon. Supersonic flight, once relegated to military and experimental aircraft, is also making a comeback. Companies like Boom Supersonic are developing supersonic passenger jets that promise to dramatically reduce travel times for long-haul flights. Imagine traveling from New York to London in just 3.5 hours. And then there's space tourism, the ultimate frontier of aviation. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are making space travel a reality for private citizens, offering suborbital flights that provide breathtaking views of Earth and the blackness of space. While still prohibitively expensive for most, space tourism is becoming increasingly accessible, opening up a new era of exploration and adventure. Soaring into the future. From the Wright brothers' first tentative flight to the prospect of supersonic passenger jets and space tourism, the journey of aviation has been marked by relentless innovation and a boundless capacity for human ingenuity. As we look to the future, the sky is truly the limit for what aviation can achieve. Electric propulsion promises cleaner, quieter skies, while autonomous flight and AI have the potential to revolutionize air travel as we know it. Supersonic and hypersonic travel could shrink the world even further, connecting distant corners of the globe in record time. And the dream of space travel, once the stuff of science fiction, is becoming a reality. The future of aviation is bright with possibility. As technology continues to advance and our understanding of the universe expands, the only constant in aviation is the unwavering human spirit of exploration and the drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. The next chapter in the story of aviation is about to begin. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for more exciting and informative content.